Just so warm. It's crazy. Here's part of the fire alarms at the church here. Simplex. Simplex. Simplex trailer, here it is.
I think that's how you know the church is really built on true principles.
Yeah,
God's
exactly.
backing it up.
There's the fire alarm panel in here. The control panel. They control the system with that.
I see.
See, it's got all the buttons and stuff.
Yeah.
And when it goes into alarm, that will flash.
Does the fireman have the key or just the building?
The building, whoever controls that. But I mean, if it's pulled,
Yeah.
the firemen will have to come and control it because they're, you know. And that's the alarm company, one of the alarms that supplies the product.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so pretty cool to know.
Yeah, for sure.
And the buttons actually work here.
Yeah, I know, right?
If you guys could tell me what type of alarm this is, comment down below. Because I'm not exactly sure, but yeah. Here it is, folks. Don't zoom in on the glass. Blurs up. Yeah. Content for YouTube. I don't know if that's a Wheelock MT. I'm not sure. Not good with these types of alarms.